Page 88, Prelude number 17. This one is in the key of E flat major, 3 flats. Now time to do the scale on E flat major. Bunch of chords. So just forget just get the chords and the accidentals and all this first. Treble clef in both steps here. See up here? And C flat is here. And that is E flat F sharp. I mean, you just gotta love it. It's just there. Now it's a C flat A, E flat F sharp. And now, once you get the notes figured out, then we can go back and add in all the articulation and the dynamics, and that stuff is very soft. That's pretty much everything here. And staccato. Nice light wrist or hand staccato, whatever you call it. And there's an accent on this one in the right hand, but not the left. Really, I guess the melody's in the top. Get louder here. They don't say how loud. Go up to about a medium soft. Don't get loud. Come back down to very soft, because you're starting out very soft, sort of. Speed-wise, Allegro Animato is animated, fast animated, and in the between it's got the Scherzino there. I don't know what that's there for, but it's sort of a prankish, a fun thing. It's a somewhere in there. Different people will play this at different speeds. What do you think it is?